getting out the street.
No, you're not. Like, after I fucking do this, who the are you, bro?
When an entitled YouTuber pushes officers too far, they decide to bring him in. But they are unaware of the lengths he's willing to go to turn this situation into content.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Peace, peace, fam. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Back at it with another video. This one is cocky YouTuber finally gets what he deserves. All right, so a YouTuber got in trouble on YouTube. All right, see what's going on. Before we jump into the video, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like oh, oh. I say oh, oh, oh. If you guys missed the live on Tuesday, it is up on the page. And if you're new to my page, and if you haven't spread the word, tell your friends and family, let them know that we're doing lives Tuesday from 6 to 8 and Saturday and Sunday from 4 to 6. We're doing live reactions, live videos. We'll chill out. We're going to vibe. We're going to talk. We're going to laugh. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have a good time. All right. Let's see. Check your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals. Make sure everything is good there. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Right. Keep thriving and surviving out here, y'all. And keep your vibes high. All right. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
It is around 3 a.m. on the morning of Saturday, November 15th, 2025. And these Miami Beach police officers stationed on Washington Avenue in Miami Beach, Florida, have reached their patience limit with 22-year-old YouTuber Jack Doherty, who broke away from his group and attempted to engage officers to create content for his channel in the middle of the roadway, creating a safety hazard. Despite multiple warnings, Jack continued recording the video, even ignoring his friends as they told him to stop. As a final warning, officers told him that they would arrest him if he didn't comply, to which Jack replied, "Once I'm done with this, bet." And now, as officers move to make good on that warning, they have no idea that Jack is far from done recording them on this day.
What? No.
I got him.
Hey, yo, you don't want to go neither. Back up.
I'm just saying I got him.
Back up. Don't worry about it. Back up. No. Back up. No.
Go to the sidewalk, guys. Go to the sidewalk now. Go to the sidewalk now. You want to go with him? Go to the sidewalk now. Okay.
No, I'm chill.
Now.
You want to be funny? We tell you to get on the street, go on the street.
All right, I'm getting out.
Who the you think you are, bro?
I'm getting out the street.
No, you're not. Like, after I do this, who the are you, bro?
I was trying to walk up the street, but
doesn't matter, bro. All you had to do was get in the sidewalk. That's it. You want to be funny?
Yo, you should have got your man out the road.
I was trying to.
Now, as officers proceed to search him, they immediately find even more reasons to take him to jail. But Jack only sees it as another content opportunity, something the officers have yet to realize.
Hey, free Jack!
Man, shut up with that free. That's a trend now, man. He ain't even been arrested and taken to jail yet. You already like, hey man, free Jack. Free the YouTuber. He ain't even did nothing yet. He ain't even go to jail, man. So many things that's just annoying, yo. Like, Joe, you got to stay positive, keep your vibes high, man. But it's hard watching these videos when you see stupidity. It's just dumb, man. Talking about free, stupid face.
He's in order, like, what? He was trying to.
Oh, good.
No, wait, chill. Can I take that off and give it to someone? Wait, no, you can't take it off like that. Yo, chill. Wait, let me take it. Can I take it off for you?
Okay.
You have to, like, slide it off your wrist. Like, you can't take it off anyway.
Talk.
Big man, you gotta go take it off.
MDNA?
I'll
check it out. There's also,
But no, you really can't take it off that way, sir. Let me slide it off, you know? No.
MDNA?
Motherfucker, It's funny, bro. Like, it's not serious.
Listen, I'm not even doing that. Listen,
I get you. I got you, bro.
I'm just telling you.
I know. I'm just telling you.
Hey, sidewalk.
I get you, bro. But we told him a bunch of times that.
No. It's not even that.
No, you're cool. You're cool.
I was telling you genuinely. I apologize on his behalf.
No, and I accept your apology, bro. But
I get you. You're still irritated by it. I'm not tripping. I'm just letting you know that's not where I'm coming from. That's not where I'm coming from.
I got you. That's good, bro.
Can we get my watch or someone or no?
What is? I need to watch.
No, but you have to like untape. You have to.
I got you.
Yeah, thank you. Can you tell him to pull up here, my friend?
He can take it off. He can take the watch off 05.
We'll do it at the station.
But real, can I just take it off?
We'll do it at the station.
No.
Is this gonna be like a timeout? No, he's going to jail. You really gonna take it? No, this is not the no. Come on, let's get the road. Come on. I'm just asking for that. I'm just asking so he can get an idea what is going on. Yeah, he's going to jail. Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Like, that's how we got to learn. That's how we got to learn.
With officers finding 3 hand-rolled suspected cannabis cigarettes and half of an orange oval-shaped pill marked with a 3, consistent with a Schedule II amphetamine, Jack is immediately brought to the station. And this is where his entitled behavior leads him to pull another move that he will soon regret.
You'll ask them when you get a chance to.
How long will it take?
I don't know. As soon as the judge call you in, then you'll be fine.
With respect to me, sir, I'm not trying to like be a dickhead.
I'll answer it. I'll answer it later on. Sorry.
Can't let me know how long it'll take.
Because I don't know.
How long?
I don't know. What
Tonight?
Probably no. Probably tomorrow. Maybe. Oh no. This is just a pit stop. All right, come on.
Oh.
How are you guys?
How are you, bro?
Pretty good, man.
All right.
So now, you know.
I'm sorry, bro.
You guys thought they
gotta
were my
listen,
watch
man,
my
you know?
friend. But,
We got you.
no worries. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you will, right? Because no one said that to me.
We're not questioning you.
Oh, really?
It's kind of how it works. Just face that way for me, please.
Which way?
Yes, stuff like that.
Are your guys' body cams going?
100%.
That's tough. That's tough. All right. Let's see how it is.
Alright, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to remove the handcuff from you. Listen.
Oh, yeah.
And then take all your jewelry out.
Okay.
Socks, sneakers, put it on top of the counter. Yes?
Top of the, what?
Counter.
This might seem like a simple order, but to Jack, it's about protecting his jewelry, and he won't even hesitate to instruct officers on how to preserve it.
I'm knocking out tonight.
Unfortunately not, brother.
When do you think I will?
Tomorrow's Saturday, hopefully tomorrow.
Okay, hopefully. Hopefully, prepare for you, you know.
Got you.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you're good,
I'm
you're
so OCD and shit. You
I
know, it's
guess
nice
you are.
watch. Oh, you scratch my up. Nah, I'm suing.
Yeah, alright, you did, bro.
I got insurance on these
Huh.
now, you know what I'm saying?
Take the jewelry off, please.
That boy's studying on the
Like
cop.
this, you know?
Take everything off.
You guys can be like careful with it, you know?
Yeah, of course,
I'm
man.
so OCD, bro. Delicate.
Alright, everything gets documented, you know.
Alright, cool. No, it's not even about that. It's like, you can't like bend it, you know?
His friends outside?
I don't know.
Because I think he wants to hand that over to them.
Can I call him? I'll do anything to give him this so it doesn't have to be here. Please.
You would give him.
No, it goes with you.
Just my jewelry. I'll do anything.
I'm down for that. Let him. He got his phone, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Make a phone. Let him make a phone call,
Thank you.
and you know they can take all your jewelry.
Well, take
Listen,
your
boss.
cash.
Boss man, Jack.
Yes, sir.
When you give him the order, dog, you gotta do that. Like you could have avoided all of this.
I know. I wish I could have. But like right when I was getting that order, I turned around and boom, my security guard was there. But like it was. I know. I'm not gonna like make excuses, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have him come to the station. And
Yo, you want to come to this? You got my location?
Just give him the address.
How come? Dave has the location, but you can pick up my
11
jewelry.
Street, Washington Avenue.
1100
Yeah, pick up
Washington
my
Avenue.
jewelry, you know.
In your cash.
So you're gonna put all the
Yeah,
jewelry
you
in the
pick up my
bag.
jewelry.
In the cash.
Matter of fact, yeah, put that all in the bag.
Yeah.
He's gonna go back out and go into your car or whatever, sitting there.
Yeah.
and then the guy will walk him in, or
The guy will
whatever.
hand it over.
Literally, he's like, hey, he can get this, and get his the person he's giving to.
Hey, is that him laughing in the background?
I don't want nothing to come up with this problem.
Do your thing, all right?
No problem. All right.
Sorry, I'm trying to tell him to come here.
All right.
Yo, can you hear me? Hello, hello.
Ain't no video. This phone calls.
It's just not working. Here, I'll put it right here.
All right.
I'm taking your jewelry off, man. Come on.
Sorry, I'm just trying to tell him to get here.
Just take off, while you're doing that, take off your jewelry. So you can give it to him. We got his 13? No?
Not yet.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, we're here.
All right, where are you?
We're walking there right now.
Okay, bet.
Tell him to have his driver's license and everything ready.
ID.
You don't got your ID?
When is ID?
Put someone, just have Dave or whoever has their ID. You do? I bet.
How much was it again?
440.
100. Hey,
Sorry, no, yeah, the cash is cool. You guys got that.
No, look, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You saw that, right?
Yeah, 6, 7.
All going in here.
Wait, no.
Hey.
I thought we were giving it to him.
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, well, we gotta like keep it nice and neat, you know?
Okay, so one here. All right.
No. Can I just give it to him hand?
We have to do this first.
put it in
Right?
All right, y'all.
Okay, 2. All right.
All right.
3 right here. 4. Okay.
Thank you.
And then
Yes.
that's
Can we get a separate bag first so we don't scratch
And
it up, you know?
then
You don't got a separate bag?
the watch. All right.
Because it's going to scratch it up. You can't scratch
We
it.
got you.
All right, thank you so much.
All right, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys.
Yourself, right? Can you?
What you did a brace.
Here's the problem, right? We made an exception for you to make a phone call. Yes.
Yes.
And I told you not to record, but you're recording.
I don't know.
So you know what's gonna happen now? All this is going with you to the UK. We're not giving this to anybody else.
I could just delete the video.
No, take your shoes off.
Bro, what?
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off.
But aren't you guys recording too?
Oh man, this fool crazy.
Alright.
Hey, call the sergeant. 10-07. Somebody picking this up is going to the UK.
The what?
Turn around.
Dude, really, bro? You guys really gotta make that, dude? Like, I'm.
You think it's a fucking game, man? Up to it.
I'm not doing this.
Come on.
Bro.
Put your hands right here. Take some steps back. You out of your stance? Out of your stance? More. All right. Hey, it's going to TGK. Everything's going to TGK.
Right away, TGK, ending mileage 15031.5. 15031.5.
It's all right.
Bro, that's a
everything
thorough
goes to
check,
TGK.
huh?
Yeah, no, he gonna sit though.
Oh, yeah? Okay, cool. Even better, yeah. Hey, get in there. Trying to be funny.
Bro, I'm trying to be funny, dog.
Okay, copy. Trying to be, hey, silly, huh?
Let me take all this stuff. Want to play games?
Yeah, what's up?
Now I was trying to help him out. He's gonna go straight over.
We actually been very nice. Making an exception for him. Trying to be funny.
I'm trying to be very nice with you. You wasn't even gonna wait. But now, since you want to do all this, now we're gonna do this. So now you're gonna wait till at least 6 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning. Then at that point,
I have no idea what this is.
Yes, you did.
I explained that.
He explained it multiple times, man.
But I honestly have no idea what I have no idea. No one told me anything.
Also, hey.
Leave the video, yes?
Hey, nah.
no, we can't do that.
No, it's cool because hey, everything is good. Kill you.
No, we can't. No, we can't.
Huh?
You can't touch it.
For him to go on his phone and delete it.
No.
Nah, kill you. Nah, it's cool.
You can't do that.
No,
Hey,
we can
we
delete
done
nothing.
sent them.
It's on
Hey,
my camera. We're recording.
I know where you're coming from, but kill you, man. I'm good.
But can I ask what I'm being charged with?
The resistance, one of them,
How is I resisting?
possibly possession.
What?
Possibly possession.
What's that mean?
Possession of substance. I caught it. Understand that? Yes.
Even after realizing the full impact of his actions, Jack's desperate attempt to apologize only becomes another display of his vanity.
No chance, my friend. I know I fucked up, shouldn't have filmed. I get it.
You taking it with you to TUK, bro.
What does that mean?
He go with you. He goes to TGK with you.
But then when I like leave, I just get it.
Yeah, they'll give it back. Yeah, of course, huh?
Alright.
Yeah.
I just thought like it might be a process after.
No. They give it to you when you get released. Yeah.
No, when I would get out.
Huh?
No, when I would get out.
Hopefully tomorrow, man, but probably not in the morning anymore, you know?
No, really? This sucks. I really have a...
Hey, I'll try helping you, man. All right.
Ultimately, Jack Doherty was charged with felony possession of controlled substance without prescription, misdemeanor resisting without violence, possession of cannabis. He was later released on a $3,500 cash bond. But true to his nature, Jack continued milking the incident for content after his release, even uploading footage officers had accidentally recorded on his phone after not realizing the camera was still running. In a later interview with TMZ, Jack described the arrest as the worst day of his life, claiming he was stuck in a small cell for 5 hours before being moved to a larger holding room for another 10 hours. He even warned others to stay away from jail while still managing to put his entitlement on full display. It now seems like Jack is using the experience to create even more police-related content for his channel, continuing to profit off the incident, at least until another group of officers decides to draw the line and take him in again.
Man, look, these young YouTubers be going far, man. They go that extra mile for the likes and comments, but more so for the money. It looks like he's doing well, unless it's all a facade. You never know. But from the look at it, that was him in his house and stuff, and if that jewelry was real, he's doing good. And you can be very successful on YouTube. It's just the route you choose to do it. The younger generation, they understand how to grab their dynamics attention, so they just sometimes they go too far, just like we saw a video a couple of days ago where the kid just went too far for YouTube and for TikTok and all that, and like putting their lives, I don't want to say in danger. Well, the last video he put lives in danger. This kid, you know what I mean, you do stupid-ish and you get consequences like that, man. You know what I mean? Like, just dumb. But it worked. It worked. He actually, looks like he made some money off of it. But I can't do that, man. You got to have some type of integrity or something to put yourself out there and make it seem like, even though he said it was bad to go to jail, he tried to make it seem like he was cool and being slick and all that stuff. Probably because he's younger. I get it. I understand. Think the cops wasn't gonna find it. But I don't know, man. That's just he did what he did, and it worked in his favor. Seemed like $3,500. If you're a good YouTuber, that ain't nothing. That's chump change out of his pocket. You know what I'm saying? He'll make that back on one stream at least. So crazy, man. Remember, call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't forget to check me out on my live reactions Tuesday from 6 to 8. Saturday and Sunday from 4 to 6. All right? Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your vibes high. Always keep those mentals, emotionals, spirituals, physicals in check. And y'all have a good night, man. Be easy.